So here are a few steps to follow in Photoshop to cut out complex objects from plain or simple backgrounds. For example, the vines that I used in this image are a stock photo from Raw Exchange, which is a great website that provides some composite elements if you are into compositing. So this vine is on a white background and there is a gray layer beneath it that I created to show our selection after we do it. So the first step would be go to select the layer, go to select, and color range. With the eyedropper, we select the white background, which was already selected. You click OK. That generates a selection. Click on the layer mask icon to create a layer mask. Pressing Command I will invert the mask. And now we have our object selected and a layer mask generated. If I zoom in, you can see that there are these white annoying edges that we need to get rid of. So first I'm going to click on the layer mask, Command L, and take the middle slider all the way to the right. It should get rid of some of it. Right-clicking on the layer mask and clicking Apply Layer Mask, I'm basically cutting out the object. I'm doing that so I can bring up the selection again, holding down Command and click on the subject layer, going to select, modify, contract, usually by 1 or 2 pixels. I selected 1 pixel, clicking OK, going back to select, modify, feather by 0.9 pixels, clicking OK. This is the selection, and clicking on the layer mask icon. And now, as you see, it got rid of all the edges and you have a clean selection and an object to work with.